So surely you have seen these 3 viral reels inside of Instagram while scrolling, but you never bothered to do them because you thought it was too complicated to do or because you was just lazy. But today I'm not only gonna show you how to do it, I'm gonna teach you the best and the fastest way to do it because I got my secret technique that I always use while making 3D inside of After Effects, and it saves me hours. Stay tuned. So let's start by creating a new composition. I'll have a vertical composition like so. Now the first thing that I'll do is simply make my background. So I'll just create a solid layer. Okay, I'll keep it black and I'm gonna add a gradient to it. Like that. And what I want to do with this gradient is simply just putting all of the 3 points up there like so and put them all black. It only leaves me with this blue color that I like a lot. And now what I'm going to do is I'll simply go into Sketchfab and find a 3D model that I like this. I'm going to go down, click on download 3D model and click on the JLB version right there. And I'm simply going to import it inside of my After Effects. Like this, and as you can see it's kind of really small, but if I try to scale it up, as you can see it just jumps around. So in order to fix that, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and right click right there, new, create a null object, convert it into 3D, and simply just pick the swirl of the iPhone, place it into the null, and if I try to scale the null up, as you can see it works perfectly. I'm just going to simply place a text right there, and now what I'm going to do is simply just add another text, but this time I'll make it a little less bigger, so I'm going to scale it down. And now what I'm going to do is simply just animate the phone in the rotation axis. So I'll just add some keyframes right there and another set of keyframes right there, and I'll try to set it straight at the second set of keyframes like that. And as you can see, smooth animation. And now I just want to add a 3D depth effect, so I'm going to use 3D Pro, create a 3D scene, and try to reposition all of my elements correctly. Alright, so now I can make a simple 3D camera animation. So I'll just add 2 keyframes like so, and just start with the camera far away like this, and just close it up. Okay. I'm gonna click on the F9 to make the keyframe smoother, and I'll just create a graph. You can see it makes a cool social media type of 3D. It was really simple and easy to do, really quick. And if you guys want to learn more about the animations inside of After Effects, don't hesitate to watch this video right there, and I'll see you guys later.